Trying tape for your hair system for the first time? We get it. It can feel overwhelming. You want a strong, secure hold and comfort without wasting time or money figuring out which tape actually works for you. That's why we created the Superhairpieces Patch Test Sample Pack, a simple, affordable way to test and practice before committing to a full application. Inside the pack, you'll find our most popular tapes, such as Walker Tape Red Liner, True Tape Super Tape, Walker Tape Blue Liner, Walker Tape No Shine, and so much more. You'll get 5 strips in each pack, which includes a dedicated patch test strip and a mix of pre-cut contours, perfect for testing shapes, sizes, and strength. Pre-cut samples let you test the tape's hold, flexibility, and comfort both on your skin and your hair system. Why a patch test? Because not every tape works for every skin type. This quick test helps you check for any irritation, itching, or redness before you apply it on a larger area. Doing a patch test is quick and easy. Simply take one strip and apply it to a small area of your skin, or trim it down to a smaller size if needed. Once you have the right size, peel off just one side of the backing and press the sticky side onto your skin. Leave the other backing on to prevent dirt or debris from sticking. We recommend placing the test on your inner arm or, if possible, a small section of your scalp. Leave it on for 24 to 48 hours and watch for any signs of irritation, redness, itching, or discomfort. Avoid wasting money on full rolls or bags of tape that may not be right for you. Start small, test smart, and gain the confidence you need for a perfect application. Elevate your hair system routine with Superhairpieces Patch Test Sample Pack, making your first attachment process smoother, safer, and stress-free. Available now at superhairpieces.com.